Alright guys, welcome to another episode of the MK4 GTI series. As you can see, still no motor, but it's okay, because in this episode we're going to be tearing down the motor I recently got sent out to the machine shop over in Streamwood, Opel Engineering, so they could deck the head, deck the block. That way I could make sure it's all fully straight on the mating surfaces when I put the head gasket in. No more cooling issues. I'm going to have my buddy Mateo help me out on the teardown, and yeah, just enjoy the next couple of clips.
Damn it! Yeah. You want that shit on camera?
Yeah.
Ah! That shit fucking hurt. What did I smack it on? Okay, at least we know the paints. They're good. It's like a condom. Not your nut. You know what I'm saying? You're sick. Start playing with your own kids. It's playtime. Playtime, Dad. Can you get some side cutters so I can cut the condom bag off? Right here. Never mind, got it right here. Do a quick little snip. Oh shit, never mind.
Looks like when you're marinating chicken.
She said it looks like when you're doing so much time. God damn. That's crazy.
Fuck off.
Did that? You just hear the. Aww. We dropped the condom on the floor. Sweat. Jesus Christ. Put it next to your collection. Huh? Put it next to your collection. My ears. Ba-ba. Ba-ba. We hit the pry bar? Oh shit. I was just gonna pry bar. That was like... You got me in the eye! My eye! That's a blooper. Hey. My shoe! My sock! Hey, I low-key thought I was gonna drop that. God damn you! Now we just sit here and drain the thing, dog. Now you drained it. Hey, I technically drained it. I just didn't think it still had that much oil.
He said my Crocs.
You got Mario. Hey, it's ghetto tire shine. Fuck, what to clean up? Is that tire shine they use the Cicero? Oh, hell no. More to clean up.
Hey, Mateo.
Watch it? Yeah. I knew it. I should have worn Crocs. You knew it, and you still did it. Yeah, you didn't think to grab that big ass fucking pen? I telepathically told Mateo to hold it. I'm busy trying to get the fucking power steering out. And this man didn't hold it. I didn't know you were taking that off. No, man. It's okay, bro. It's okay. I literally saw it happen right in front of me too. It's okay. I saw it in slow motion happening, and I still decided to. I thought some of the drift just go right in my eye. I was like, fuck. I still said, you know what, fuck it. I'm gonna drop it. And what did I do? Drop it. Dropped it.
hours later.
That did absolutely nothing for me.
Maybe you need a bigger one.
You know what's funny? I do have a bigger one. Like, where's that? I had a tinier fucking. I had a tinier one.
Sorry, my life.
So we just pull the fucking head off. These are fucking clean as shit. This is, I think this is a healthier motor than the last one.
Oh, for
yeah.
sure.
Whoa, for sure, yeah.
Shit, I was fucking sitting in the fucking.
Yeah, I mean the rings are look still pretty good, like because they scrape it up and down.
It's like you're playing whack-a-mole. Pretty catch it.
When I get the little dust and stuff, there you go.
You know what I'm saying? So what we can do is we probably order a new set of at least a new set of pistons.
Why pistons? They're good.
You think they're good? I mean I have to pop them out.
Yeah,
But for now,
it's a budget build.
it's a budget build. It's a budget build. At least throw some rods on it. Alright, let's
I
turn
don't think you even need to do it.
Alright, let's turn it around.
I mean, even that little ridge is cleaned off.
Let's turn it over. Lift it on your side. Lift this way. Cool. Turn it over. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine.
That's just some juice.
Just coolant. Oh shit! There's more coolant. There you go, there you go.
Juicy juice.
Jesus Christ, more juicy juice. What the fuck? I thought it was done fucking dripping.
Just squirt her.
Jesus Christ, thanks, man. Damn, bro, he's still leaking. Ah, stop leaking. Sounds like a morning piss.
Fucking literally. It's not even going in the bucket either.
Bruh! I have to check the clearances on the bearings with the, that's a little green thing.
Oh.
You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, that one that you torquing back down and check the.
Check the clearances. Fuck, I forgot the name of it.
There's a shit ton of
I'm coming up blank, man. Fuck, what's the name? I know what it's called, but I don't know the name of it. I know what it's called, but I just don't know the
You
word.
know what it's called, but you don't know.
That's what I'm saying. You know what it is, you just don't know what it's called.
I know what it is, I don't know what it's called. You know?
I know what it's called, but I don't know what it's named.
Hey, what is it called? What's it called?
I don't know.
See, now I'm gonna fucking think about it this whole entire time. Like, what the fuck's the name of it? I got a headache because I don't know the name of it.
Don't overheat your little two brain cells.
Yeah, I'm fucking searching this bitch up. So we got phones, right? Plastic gauge! Son of a bitch! I knew what it was! I'm so mad. I was like, nah, it's not plastic. It's a boy! It's a girl! Nah, just kidding, it's a boy. Imagine the scene on the Ice Age. Like, it's a boy! That's its tail. It's a girl! The block is empty. I pulled out the pistons. Pistons over there on the stand. We got the head. and the block ready to get sent out to Opal Engineering up in Streamwood. Crank is also going to get checked out. There's some spots that I'm concerned on. Center walls are pretty clean. There's some spots that I hope we can get honed out at the machine shop. Obviously the block and the head's going to get decked, so that could have a flat surface with a head gasket and no coolant issues. And hopefully they could clean up all the gunkiness and nastiness on the block. But yeah, I mean, give a week or two and hopefully get the block back and we start reassembling. Cool, move it up. And the old cracked block, which is cracked under there. Damn it, man. Anyways, good morning, everybody. It's Tuesday. I drove down to Opal Engineering up in Streamwood, dropped off the new engine, and received the old cracked engine. It's in the trunk, you know, in the work truck, my TLX work truck. I pretty much are having them do the same thing I did in the old block. Check everything, check the valves. I'm gonna have them deck the block. I actually told them not to bore it out to 81.5 for the pistons. I told them to see if they could save the bore, the 81 millimeter bore, and if they can't, obviously I'll bore it out to 81.5. But they said that they'll try to save it. That way I could reuse the pistons and not have to order a set of pistons and keep it within budget still. But we'll see. They said they're gonna give me a call within a week to see how it's checking out, and hopefully everything checks out good. You know, the old block did have a crack in one of the cylinders. That's why it was, you know, burning up the coolant and oil mixed, which is fine. I knew something was up with it. I knew it wasn't a head gasket at that point, but oh well, shit happens. Out of my hands, you know. But it's all right. New block is with them. Hopefully they give me a call within a week and we start building things. So just stay tuned, and yeah.